Guys, we're going to take a look at literal equations today. So our first problem is A equals B times H. We want to solve for H. So we circle H. We're trying to get H by itself on this side of the equal sign. So we're multiplying, so we divide by B, divide by B. These B's cancel, and then A over B equals H. Moving on to our next problem, we have A equals 1/2 times B times H. We want to solve for B, so we circle B. Now, we need to get rid of both the 1/2 and the H, but we want to get rid of our fraction first, so we multiply by our denominator to both sides. These twos cancel, then you have 2A equals BH. Don't forget to circle what you're solving for. So we're solving for B, we want to get it by itself, so we need to divide by this H. Divide by H, divide by H, H's cancel. 2A over H equals B. Alright, let's take a look at number 5. We have I equals PRT, and we want to solve for P. So we circle P, and we say, okay, how can we get P on this side of the equal sign by itself? So we want to divide by the other two things that are there, R times T. So these cancel, and we divide by R times T over here. So we have I over RT equals P. Okay, let's look at this problem. We want to solve for F, so we need to circle our F. Okay, first we can't get into these parentheses until we get rid of this 5 over 9. So we want to multiply by the denominator, multiply by the denominator. We have 9C, these cancel out, equals 5 times F minus 32. So we still need to get rid of this 5, so we divide by the 5, cancels, divide by the 5. 9C over 5 equals F minus 32. Remember, we're solving for F, so we need to add 32. That cancels, add 32. 9C over 5 plus 32 equals F. Alright, let's take a look at our last problem. Now we're solving for R, so we circle it. But we can't get to this R until we distribute our P into parentheses. So if A equals P times 1 is P plus P R T. Now circle your R, because we're solving for R. To get rid of this, to get to this R, we need to subtract by P first. So we subtract P. We have A minus P equals P R T. Circle your R, and you're multiplying by both P and T, so you can just divide them in the same step. Divide by P and T. They cancel. You have A minus P over PT equals R. And that's our last problem. Now remember, your homework is page 35, numbers 2 through 10 even.